You should be spending your time on HLA, high leverage activities, IPA, increasing profit activities, and you're not. So, hey, what if I could cut that from that 58% and cut it in half, and you're spending 25% of your time on those tasks, and you're able to delegate, automate, and rinse and repeat the rest of these tools I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. I can copy this text and then I can throw it into my chat bot here. Like, I'll give you guys this at the end, and put your SOP and ask us to perfect. Like, you guys should make a list of everything that you do, and then for the next week. So take a week and just have a piece of paper next to you, and every activity that you do, write it down. And then at the end of that week, go through and look at it and circle the things that you can delegate, or the things that you don't like doing, or the things that aren't actually making you money. They're not an increasing profit activity for you, right? They're not a high leveraged activity that you're doing, okay? All right, are you drowning in tasks, losing hours on repetitive work, and struggling to stay organized? You're not alone. What if I told you I had 3 AI tools that could eliminate all of that, all the stress, in just seconds? All right, so hey, the problem is clear. We are overwhelmed. The average professional spends 20% of their time on emails and another 30% on organized tasks. That's over half a week spent on activities that could be automated and streamlined. You should be spending your time on HLA, high leverage activities, IPA, increasing profit activities, and you're not. So, hey, what if I could cut that from that 58% and cut it in half, and you're spending 25% of your time on those tasks, and you're able to delegate, automate, and rinse and repeat the rest of these tools I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so this first tool rules them all, and it's called CLICKUP. It's replacing Monday, in my opinion. Way cheaper, way more effective, and all of the benefits. Is a project management tool that you can delegate things. Whether you're a solopreneur or you have hundreds of employees, this is the perfect tool for your COO. Or if it's just you and you're having to manage your team, this is the perfect tool. So we started using this. I'm going to share my screen here. All right, so you can see my screen here. This has everything in one place. It has my agenda for the day, what the work that I need to do, cash offer landing page created, Google My Business, work on that, work on a remodel project, a commercial Bayfield project, all the things that we need to get done, fix our automation for our 21-day cash automation. So I can see my agenda, shoot this AI video. I'm doing it right now. 94 Pioneer Place. That's where the listing appointment that we're going to nail. So, hey, everything's in one place, and I really like that. I can delegate stuff. I can create tasks. So if I go to here and I go to my tasks, so I have the 3 AI videos to shoot. I can delegate stuff. See, I can make it a priority. 4 cash offer video shot. So I can say the status of it. Hey, we're in the progress of this. Hey, it's complete. It's in progress. I can make it a high, this is important or urgent, whatever it may be. And I can also delegate here. I can delegate stuff to my entire team that I don't have to do, and they can delegate stuff to me and say, hey, this is something I need. We can chat. There's a lot of different features. It's, in my opinion, way better than Monday and cheaper than Monday. And the reason why I like this CLICKUP is a few reasons, right? So I have my tasks, my calendar, the track the time, notepad, clips, all the tools that you would ever need. I have it connected to my Google Drive, my Slack, my Zoom, all of the stuff that you need to be organized within a project. You can give details within the project. So this is my new favorite project management tool. All of your needs and delegating things, and that you can get your entire team on here. I think it's gangster. So go ahead and check out that link below. The next tool that I have for you guys is actually called LOOM, and it's what I'm recording this on right now. It's probably my favorite tool. So the first part of the video was shot on what I Riverside, but now this is being shot on Loom. I have 203 videos. I really like it, a few reasons, mainly because I can record what I want done, and then I can create an SOP within that, and then I can make it better with my chatbot. So there's a lot of cool pieces to it, but it's basically one of my favorite things is like I shot this morning, right? Minutes, and I go and I say, hey, I want a SOP, I want a step-by-step, I want a PR, I want Q&A, codes, all that kind of stuff. So let's say I want a SOP, boom, it made a SOP. I can copy this text and then I can throw it into my chat bot here. Like I'll give you guys this at the end and put your SOP and ask us to perfect it. So I'll go ahead, boom, throw that in there for right now. And I'll just say, keep it simple, make it better, boom. Okay, so we'll let that do its thing as I continue sharing about. So Loom is like I said, one of my favorite tools that we have, that we use. If I go in here and I go to, so I have cash offer recording, so I can train my team on how to handle objections, all of those type of things. Have a live webinar event we did some recording on. So this is my favorite, like I said, tool, because I'm constantly having to tell people, hey, do this, do this, do this. Like you guys should make a list of everything that you do, and then for the next week. So take a week and just have a piece of paper next to you, and every activity that you do, write it down. And then at the end of that week, go through and look at it and circle the things that you can delegate, or the things that you don't like doing, or the things that aren't actually making you money. They're not an increasing profit activity for you, right? They're not a high leveraged activity that you're doing, okay? So I have my Super Bowl strategy, how to do our Facebook ads, our newsletter SOP, all of our things that I feel like are important for our team to be able to go and execute. I can give this to them, right? The agents that we coach. So here's one thing. So we have our 12-week strategy. So what I did was I made one generic video. Then what I did is I see it says we, and then there's a tool that I can go in and change the person's name. And I put in Landry and Willie and Jesse and all these other people on our team. And so when I talk throughout the video, I can say, hey, Jesse, hey, Willie, and I don't have to record 20 different videos. I can just do that. So imagine you have an SOP process and you're walking somebody through how to make a Facebook ad, or you're walking somebody through how to write your blog, or walking somebody through how to upload somebody in your CRM system, or set up whatever it is, right? Doesn't matter what it is. Or maybe you're a real estate agent and you want to create SOPs for, I know a lot of buzz right now is like, hey, how do I handle this, new buyers, our settlement stuff? And it's really easy. It's really easy. Create a video, right? And imagine being able to change their name every single video, and they think that you spent hours of your time making personal videos for them, because you're saying, hey, Susie, hey, when we get to this, when we get to inspection objections, this is what's going to happen. And then here's what the appraisal process looks like. And every single video you can go through and customize it for your client. Or you don't have to, you can show somebody else how to, right? And then give them 12 videos on the contract process. How beautiful is that, right? So amazing tool. There is a free version. Use the paid version here. But here's our 12-week plan, so you can see what our 12-week plan looks like. Here's our 1-year calendar. And if I scroll to the bottom, I have Q. If I go to our Q1, and then you can see how organized we are with this piece of it. All right, so get 30 listings, 7 new team locations, community build with 100 members in each. So here's our KPIs. Here's what we're doing every single week. 30 listings, community build, podcast, all the stuff. So you can stay super organized within this. I explain this in our community. So if you want access to our community, just go ahead and click the link below. It's where you're going to get my chatbot. Speaking of the chatbot, let's check in and see how it did. SOP for making cash offer follow-up calls. Boom. Let's see steps. Prepare for the call, initiate the call, engage during the call, handle voicemails effectively, include the call, boom. So it's got it all. So I made the SOP that Loom created, and I put it into my chatbot, and our chatbot made it more effective, more profitable, more efficient in that. So this chatbot's pretty sweet. It's like having your own personal person to do all your stuff for you, which is sweet. So the last tool that I have for you guys is Max AI. So this is an amazing tool that uses me write emails, allows me to do a lot of different things. It communicates with Claude and Gemini and ChatGPT, all of it put together. You can add it to your Chrome. I can communicate with a page This is what I really like about it. I can say, hey, I want to know what this, maybe there's a certain cryptocurrency that I want to read the white paper on, and I can say, hey, give me all the information on it, and it gives it to me. This one I really like. It summarizes YouTube videos, so you could actually just get the summary of it and then have it read it back to you, which is really nice for just effectively. Same with like watching or any type of PDF, document, book. It does not matter. It helps you write emails. So let me just go to, maybe I can go to one of my Gmails here. So if I go to just my Gmail account, I'll just demo this out real quick. There's a link for this below too. So I believe these 3 tools can just cut all your time in half, literally, that you spend on and talking and delegating things, and all of that can just make you way more effective and efficient in your business, so you can spend time on what actually matters, which is increasing the profit activity as the CEO of your own business. So let's see, we'll use this example once it loads. All right, so here's how the Max AI can help you be more effective in your email. So there's a free version, so go ahead and test it out, but there is a paid version. Use that link below. This guy is saying, hey, we want you to do our auction or one of our listings. We actually just got an offer on this at 2.1. Let's just say no, boom. It'll actually write an email for me. All right, so it just gave me a quick response. Said, hey, Matt, thank you for reaching out and sharing your insight. Appreciate the offer to discuss your strategy, but I won't be moving forward with any changes at this time. Thank you for understanding, boom, boom. So I wrote that in like 3 seconds. So I can just copy it. I don't even have to do that. Copy. And then I can throw it in here like that. Boom. Send it. There you go. Boom. So that's how you can respond to emails super fast without even having to think about it. Yes, no, boom. It writes it respectfully. And the Max AI. So Max AI has a lot of things that it's doing. It's communicating with all the different chat GPTs, all the stuff. So in your team, this will make you way more effective in communicating with each other, with other people. You can summarize videos, landing pages, white papers, all this stuff. So are you ready to revolutionize the way that you work? Click the links below. Make sure you can get CLICKUP, LOOM, and Max AI today. And make sure you join our community, our lifestyle AI, so that you can be living the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Bunch of free content in there. You can get my chatbots, you can get my SOPs from YouTube, all the other things. So we'll see you in the community.